Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up RustDesk Remote Desktop. All right, let's begin. First, you need to download the RustDesk software. Go to the official download page and click the download button. You may be redirected to another site where the files are hosted. This is normal and safe because the files are hosted on a trusted developer platform. On that page, scroll down until you see the Assets section. This section contains the files you need. Look for either the .exe file or the .msi file. Both files install the RustDesk application and work the same way. Download one of them and open it after the download finishes. Once launched, RustDesk will open with a clean and minimal interface. If someone wants to connect to your computer, you need to start the service first. Simply click Start Service on the main screen. After starting the service, the application will show that it is ready to accept connections. Next, open the Settings menu to configure the application. Go to the Security section and unlock the settings so you can adjust permissions. Here, you can decide what level of access other users will have when they connect to your computer. For example, you can allow or restrict access to the keyboard and mouse, which are essential if someone needs to control your device remotely. You can also allow additional features, such as audio sharing or camera access. If you do not want someone to use certain features, simply disable them by removing the checkmark next to that option. These permissions help you control how much access another user has during the remote session. RustDesk also allows you to choose how authentication works. One option is to create a permanent password. With this option, the same password can be used every time someone connects to your computer. Enter the password, confirm it, and save the settings. This makes it easier for repeated connections. For better security, you can also enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra verification step before someone can access your computer. You may also enable features such as Unlock with PIN, which provides another secure way to protect your device. Next, check the display settings. These settings control the quality of the remote desktop stream. You can adjust the image quality depending on your internet speed. For example, selecting optimized quality reduces the bitrate and video quality, but improves responsiveness. This option works well if you are using a slower internet connection. If you want more control, choose custom settings. In custom mode, you can manually adjust the bitrate, usually between 10% and 100%. You can also choose higher frame rates, even up to 120 frames per second, depending on your system, performance, and network connection. RustDesk also supports several modern video codecs, including VP9 and H.265. These codecs help improve streaming efficiency and image quality during remote sessions. Another useful setting allows you to adjust how the remote screen appears. You can choose to display the original screen resolution or scale it to an adaptive view. Adaptive scaling can make text and elements easier to read on smaller displays. Once the setup is complete, connecting to another device is simple. Ask the person whose computer you want to access for their RustDesk ID. Enter this ID into the connection field on your screen and click Connect. If the device requires a password, enter the password as well. After that, the other user will receive a request to approve the connection, depending on their privacy settings. Once they accept the request, the remote session will begin. You will then be able to view and control their computer directly from your screen. RustDesk also includes additional features, such as account login, device management, and printer support. But the basic setup only requires downloading the software, configuring permissions, and connecting using the device ID. That's basically how you can set up RustDesk Remote Desktop. That's it for this video. Thanks.